Hey guys, Oppo has demonstrated a rolling smartphone that has stunned everyone despite the fact that it is not commercially available to customers. Oppo is attempting to push its technology into every gadget and it is expected that the first Oppo Pad or Tab will be released in the near future. Oppo was rumored to be releasing tablets and laptops this year back in November, but the year is almost up and the firm has yet to reveal either. While Oppo has yet to reveal its plan for notebooks and tablets, a photo of what appears to be an Oppo tablet, let's name it Oppo Pad for now, has leaked. The image is not very clear, but if we look at it calmly, we can learn something about it. The photograph doesn't disclose much about the Oppo Pad, but we can see that its screen lacks a notch in the middle and a selfie camera punch hole on the right side. Although because the tablet is covered with a case to hide its design, the selfie shooter might be potentially be on the top bezel. This doesn't definitely indicate it's on the opposite side. Aside from the photograph of the Oppo Pad, a few screenshots have surfaced revealing the tablet specifications. The Oppo Pad is equipped with the Snapdragon 870 SoC, 6GB of RAM and 250GB of storage. According to trustworthy tipster Digital Chat Station, the slate runs Android 11 based ColorOS 12 and has a 120Hz refresh rate screen that spans 11 inches diagonal and has a 2K resolution. The Oppo Pad would come with an 8080 mAh battery according to Informat, who also confirmed that Snapdragon 870 and 120Hz refresh rate parts. The Oppo Pad will be the company's first tablet, but it will not be the first from BBK Electronics Group. That honor goes to Oppo subsidiary Realme, which released the Realme Pad a few months ago with a metal body, 10.4 inches screen and a 7100 mAh battery. According to the specs of the Oppo Pad, it will be a direct competitor of Xiaomi's Mi Pad 5, which has identical specs. But we have yet to see the price tag that Oppo would charge for its first tablet. Make sure to share your thoughts and opinion on this video in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.